friends, you know, that we haven't seen. I had an experience not too long ago where there's an old buddy of mine that it's a longer story that I'll tell some other time, but it's I helped him to kind of meet his wife for the first time, and so we had that connection, you know. For some reason, you know, he was too busy, I was too busy, we couldn't get together, and so we would chat, you know, on LinkedIn all the time, and well, not all the time, I would say, you know, maybe once a year, and kind of say, hey, how you doing? You know, we should catch up, and it was always we should catch up.
Yeah.
Until one day, the guy was like in his, I think, mid-40s, he died.
What?
Yeah, he just had this rare disease, and he died, and the saddest part was we had just nailed down the day.
Oh, dude.
He had set the time, and I had set the time to finally go down and have a lunch together. And it was within 2 weeks of the day that he died.
Whoa.
And that just happened just a few years ago. And it really got me thinking again about, you know, man, you know, have I lost this connection with people? Yeah. You know, what am I doing with, you know, my old friends? You know, it really should make us all think about that, you know, because I think, you know, without having, you know, turning this into like this, you know, super deep motivational conversation about life and things, but everyone gets caught up in doing business and the numbers and performance, but sometimes they forget what it's all for.